Okay. So, we are done with book 1. Good job on your guys' recitals last time. That was really good. Totally rocked it. So, now we're in book 2. And I really hope did I send the book 2 link to get book 2? You guys have book 2 yet? I think I forgot to do that. Shoot. That's okay. I'll send it this week. I had a ton of stuff I was doing, so I didn't do that. Okay, so I'll send you guys the link to get book 2. It's actually the same link for book 1, but you just go back and find book 2. It's the same place you'll get it at. And so we're going to learn the songs in book 2 this year. This semester, we're also going to learn chords. So like C major, D major, F major, and stuff like that. Okay? So that should be fun. And then we're also going to learn some fun arrangements of the songs that we already know. Okay? So we're going to make them even cooler. Okay? So, we're going to start today with learning this first song in book 2, and it's called I'll Be There. So I'm going to play it for you so you know what it sounds like, and then we'll learn it, okay? Oh, I'll sing with it, sorry. This is my life to live, something to share, something to give. Maybe one day you'll need a friend. Call me and I'll be there. Okay, so that's a pretty one. Okay, so let's learn the top hand first, and I'm going to show you what your reference book will look like as soon as we buy the book, so that we can use it to learn the song. Uh-oh, I'm missing half of my book. It's right here. I'll use this one. Okay.
Let's make corn.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right. Your reference book will look like this. Can you see this screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have a pattern that we use throughout the whole piece, okay? And the pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So on your hand, if you put your hand in front of you, that would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 3. Right? So go ahead and do that with your hand. Go 1, 2, 3, 3.
1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
Good job. Okay, so it can be right there on that. Or if I put my thumb down and make this one 1, then it could be 1, 2, 3, 3. Can you try that?
1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
Awesome. Or if I put this one down and make this guy 1, I could go 1, 2, 3, 3. Can you try that?
1, 2, 3, 3.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so that's the pattern that we're going to be using through the whole song. Okay, and basically you just learned the whole song by just knowing that pattern. And so all we need to do is put it in the right order. Okay, so I want you to put your hand on the piano, and the only thing that's different with this piece is instead of putting your thumb on C like usual, you're going to actually move your hand up 1 note, and your 2 fingers going to be on E, like that, okay? And your thumb's on D, okay? Okay, so the first thing that we do, the first pattern we start our first pattern on our second finger, okay? Because it's this is the order of it. So it's 2, then 1, then 1, then 2, okay? So we're gonna do this 1, 2, 3, 3 pattern starting on our 2 fingers. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 3. Yep, so go ahead and try it. Okay, now it says 1, so you're gonna start on your 1 finger and do. It says 1 again, we'll do it again on our 1 finger. We'll go. And then it says 2, so we'll go to 2 finger. Yep, awesome. Okay, now it says 2 again, so do the 2 finger again. Okay, now it says 3 finger, which is our middle finger, so we're gonna do it on our 3 finger. Awesome. Okay, now it says 3 finger and then this little B, which happens to be a flat. That's what that's for. Okay, so that means what we're gonna do is we're gonna play our 3, but instead of when we play the 5 right here, we're gonna play it on the middle black note. Can you try that? Yep, awesome. Okay, so let's try that again. So we have, we're gonna start with 2, so try that. Yep. That 1. 1 again. 2. 3. Not 3 again, but yep. Yeah, good job. Woo! Okay, now I'll just teach you the ending. Okay, so the ending, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play this black note 1 more time. So we're gonna play, and then we're gonna put our hands back into the position and we're gonna play 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4, all together, like that, and it looks like that. Okay, so you're gonna play. Can you try that? Here's your chord. Yep, and before you play your chord, you'll play this black note 1 more time. Play your black note by itself, just go. And now do your chord.
No. There we go.
There you go. Okay, so let's see if we can play it 1 more time from the beginning, and we'll have the ending on there. So.
Don't do that to the piano bench, it breaks it.
Time on the black note and then the chord. Yeah, woo, good job. That's perfect. Okay, so should we play it 1 more time? And you want to read the lyrics and try to sing the lyrics with it? Or do you think that might be too much? Emma. Okay, so
This is my life to live, something to share, something to give. Maybe one day you'll need a friend. Come.
Yeah, good job. That was perfect, Emma. Totally did it. Okay.
No, what are you doing?
So, let's see. I think I'm just gonna give you the top hand for that one right now, okay? And then we'll learn the bottom hand. Well, actually, okay. Let's learn the bottom hand and the top hand, but we won't put them together yet. Okay. So let's learn the bottom hand.
There's other loaves of bread.
Okay. So the bottom hand looks like this on your reference book. It's got G and C, and with the G, you're gonna be making a triangle shape, okay, with your thumb. So it looks like this. Okay, so I'm making a little triangle with my thumb, okay? So, and your pinky's always playing on C. Then you move up one, then down to this flat, middle black note, and then back. Can you try that? Awesome. Okay, so this week with this piece, what I want you to do is practice both of the hands separately, okay? So that you can get it really good. And then next week it will be really easy to put the hands together. Okay?
Oh my God.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we're also going to learn a little bit of another song, okay? And this one is with the song Dreams Come True. If you remember that, I hope you still remember that, from book 1. And do you remember that we played a Halloween version? And we
Yeah.
put the hand up a little bit. Can you play that for me?
I don't know if that'll work for you.
Halloween is here. I am feeling here. Floating down the street, eating off my feet. Star in the air, hopping on my head. Jack-o'-lantern playing ball.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same kind of thing where we moved our hand down, but instead of moving it down, we're gonna move our hand up. Okay. So I want you to play this. You're gonna play the same song, but instead of having your hands here or here, you're gonna move your hands up to this position. It was the same position we just had our hands in for the song we just learned. Okay. So let's see if you can do it. So your hands there, pinky on D and thumb on D.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and see what it sounds like. Yeah, cool, huh? Sounds kind of the same as the other, but just a little different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now that's going to be the top hand, okay? But instead of being right there, you're actually going to move up higher and you're going to play it up here. Okay? So try that. Just play the whole song, but go up even higher. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, so that's going to be our top hand, okay? And our bottom hand is going to sound like this. I'm going to play it for you, and I'm going to sing along with it. And really, you don't even have to sing along with this one. You can just play it if you want to, but I'll sing with it. And this is what we're going to learn. Sitting here with you, nothing much to say. Listen to my thoughts, pass the time away. that sound awesome? Okay, so here it goes. This is the bottom hand, all right? Really easy. We have 3 positions, okay? C, above, and below. Okay, those are C, above, and below. All right? Okay, so we're gonna start on C. This is and so pinky's on C, 5 fingers over 5 notes. I want you to play every single note except for 2 finger. Yep. Just like that, okay? Okay, this is C, all right? This is C. Okay, now what we're gonna do is play above. So that means we're gonna move our hand up 1 note, 5 fingers over 5 notes, and play everyone but 2 fingers. Yep, just like that. Okay, now we'll go back down to C. Okay, now we're gonna play our below. Okay, so we're gonna move our hand down 1 note, and we're gonna put our pinky on this black guy. Yep, and something that will help you play it is if you move your hand up like this, then your pinky can get that better. Yep, exactly. So that's our below. So we have C, above, C, below. Can you play that for me? Yep, just like that. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we have to play the order, right? Okay, so for sentence 1, which is, right, that's sentence 1, you remember that, right? And usually we had, for sentence 1, right, we had the hang loose or whatever sign, but instead for sentence 1, we're gonna do the above and then the below. Okay, so it's gonna go, and we're gonna play each of them twice. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's just play that. Just go 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, awesome. Okay. So now we're gonna sing with it. We're gonna go, and we can even make different lyrics if we want to for this one. If that would be kind of fun. Maybe we'll do it next week so that Holden can help us out. So you can think about it this week, what you might want to, what this song sounds like. But so for right now, we'll say sitting here with you. Okay, so we're gonna go sit. Oopsie, my phone is being dumb. Okay, I'll try it again. Hello. Okay, see if it works. Okay, we're gonna go sitting here with you. Can you try that?
Sitting here with you.
Yep, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna actually play it on the top end. So we'll go sitting here with you.
He says.
Yep, let's do that again. Good job. Yep, and try one more time. Yeah, perfect. That was it. Okay, and then we'll do it again because we play this first sentence twice. Awesome. That was nothing much to say. Okay, so now we have listen to my thoughts, right? Okay, so for that one, we're going to do the below and then the C. So we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C. Okay, so we're going to go below and then C Okay, so it's gonna go, listen to my thoughts. Okay, let's see if you can try that. Just singing it.
Wait, singing it or on the piano?
So on the piano, just play the bottom and sing it. So listen to my thoughts.
Okay. Listen to my. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, and let's do it again. Yeah, good job. Okay, so now let's see if we can play it with the bottom hand. So it's gonna go, the top hand. Yep, okay, and then we play sentence 1. Again. And sentence 2. And with this one, we're gonna do the tail piece on it. So we're gonna go. And then you're just gonna keep going on the tail piece in the top hand, and the bottom hand's gonna keep playing when it plays. But when you end the tail piece part, you're gonna move it up to the above position and play it 3 times. Okay, so again, we go. I don't know what the lyrics are. I can't remember what the lyrics are, but we go. Okay, now we're gonna do the above, below tail piece, right? So we're gonna play this once. So the C once, and then for the next one, we'll go up to the above position and play it 3 times. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, see if you can try that.
Here, yeah.
And C, play that. Done. And then. Does that make sense there? That last part, we go. Above with the top hand, this top hand above part, and then above at the bottom. You try that last part one more time. Just go above with the top and then above with the bottom.
Okay.
Good job. Let's do it again. Above with the bottom. Yep, and then above with the bottom. Yep, that's it. Good job. Woo! Okay.
Little song one more time.
You want to play the whole thing one more time?
Yeah.
Yep, go ahead. Yeah, good job, Emma. That's perfect. Okay, so something that's really fun when you play it is to play it with the sustain pedal. Do you have a sustain pedal? It's a little thingy by your feet. Mine looks like this because it's a crappy piano. But do you have any metal pedals on your piano?
Yeah.
So, have you ever played it before? Have you ever pushed them down with your feet?
Sometimes I do it on accident.
Okay, so let me teach you about the one that's on the right. How many pedals do you have? Do you have 2 or 3?
3.
Okay, so we're going to learn the one on the very right. So you'll have one right here and one right here, but we're just going to do the one on the very right. Okay, so I want you to push down the one on the very right and then play whatever you want to on the piano while you're pushing it down.
Whatever I want?
Yep, you can just go. If you wanted to, or you could go. Okay, awesome. So do you see what it does?
Yeah.
It holds out the notes, right? It makes them sound really pretty. So something fun with this piece that we just learned is to push your pedal down while you play it. It will sound like this. Instead of, okay? So let's try it. Let's play the whole song and you can push your pedal down. Sometimes you might need to lift it up if it's sounding like really muddy like that. You need to lift it up and then put it back down. But you'll see, you'll have to experiment with it. But let's try it. So you did a really good job on that. So you can play it with the pedal when you play it, and it will make it sound even prettier. Okay? So those are going to be the 2 songs that we're going to work on this week. And today we're going to end a little bit early because Holden's not with us. So you have Dreams Come True. It's called Arrangement 2. Okay? So there's another Arrangement 1 that I'm going to teach you, but I liked Arrangement 2 better. So we did Arrangement 2 first. Okay? There's actually 3 arrangements. So of every song that we learned in book 1, okay? So, but we're gonna just do arrangement 2 right now, and next week we'll probably learn 1. So you have arrangement 2 that you can add to your playlist of songs, and the new song, I'll be there, okay? So I'll send your mom the link so you guys can get the materials for the level 2, so that you can have the video if you forget the song, okay? But practice those 2 things this week along with all your other songs in book 1, okay? Still practice those because we're going to be doing arrangements with those ones, and we still want to remember them, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, while I was playing the other song, I kind of forgot the first one I learned.
Yes, that's why I was like, maybe I was thinking we should review. Okay, let me just play it for you and see if you can remember. My life to live.
Oh, that one.
Share something to give. Maybe one day you'll need a friend. Call me and I'll be there. Do you want to play it once to see if you remember it all?
Yes, but first I'm going to get a paper and I'm going to write down the numbers because two level 2 songs in one day. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Come on, this pencil doesn't have a lead.
Hey, Emma.
What?
So I'm actually going to just send it to you so that you have it. Okay? So I'm going to send your mom the link to the page, and she's going to download it, and then you'll have the videos, and you'll have the paper that tells you the numbers. Okay? And I'm going to do that today, so she'll have it by at least tomorrow. Okay? Or not, if not today. If she buys it today, she'll have it today. Okay, so that way we don't have to write it all down and stuff. Okay, so don't worry about if you're forgetting it between now and before you get your papers, because we'll go through it again when you get your papers, okay? So.
Okay, I'd like to review.
Okay, do you want to just play it once?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Both songs. Can you show me the lyrics?
Oh, yeah. So it goes,
This is my life to live, something to share, something to give. Maybe one day you'll need a friend. Call me and call me and I'll be there.
yep, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so
And then the other one.
the other one we just learned?
Yep.
The arrangement? Okay,
What?
I'm going to have you review that on your own because I know you can play it. Okay, so right after lessons, you can play it. Okay, And then I'll have you play it for me next week. If you forget something, it's okay. We'll review it because Holden has to learn it too, okay? Okay, so we're gonna be done with lessons today. But you have all the songs you learned before, and then just play what you remember, okay, of what we learned today. All right?
All right.
Okay, we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.